Starting a print-on-demand business is one of the best side hustle you can do from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start a profitable print-on-demand business. Listen, you don't need to be a pro or a designer to get started with this. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide, so just buckle up because it's going to be a smooth ride. Now, to break this down for you so you get whole idea how this works, you create your designs on one platform and then you sell it on another platform. You're not going to handle the billing and the shipping of the product. It's easy. So to put this into perspective, wait, I love to see people and businesses grow. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Now, you're going to create your design on this platform here, and then over here on this other platform, you'll be selling your shirts, your hoodies, or whatever you print on. So this platform here, which is going to serve as the supplier, handles the shirts, the printing, and the shipping of the product to whoever buys that product. Then this side over here, for example, are the platforms which you're going to sell your product. So you create your product here and then sell it here. Now, to make this work, you need to have creative designs, and then you need to do like a bit of marketing if you want to get serious sales. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get good designs and how to spot designs that are in demand and how to promote those designs. The first platform, which is where you'll be creating your design, is teesprings.com. This platform will dropship your product for you whenever a customer buys from your store. So click on start creating and then fill in your details, sign up, enter your desired store name. Remember, any store name you choose cannot be changed, so just choose wisely. This is Teespring. You can see all the products you can print on, from shirts to hoodies, jackets, bags, and all other accessories. You can click on the best sellers to see products that are in demand. If you click on apparels, you can see other products you can choose to print on. And over here, there are other accessories you can print on, like caps, bags, hats, face coverings, stationaries, and the rest. Now, if you go to the menu at the left part of the screen, you can create your designs, view the analytics of your store and your product performance. So you can see your listings, your payouts, and if you want to integrate other apps to your store, just click on integrations to do that. Now, we are going to create a design. Click on create, choose a product. We are going to use a hoodie, and we can change the color. Yeah, I'm going to change the color. Now that is done, you can add an image by clicking on add image. But if you want to add a plain text, you can just add a text. Click on add text. I'm going to write keep moving. Now, we can change the font color to white. You can just change it to any color you want. Now that is done, we can add a design to the shirt. You can create your own design or just take advantage of the designs available out there. So if you don't know how to design, or you just want to get your product out there, go to this website. It's called creativefabrica.com. It has thousands of ready-made designs. You can just pop on a shirt or hoodie and you're good to go. There are a lot of free designs here, but if you want exclusive offers and designs, you can just sign up. It's about $4.99 per month or $59 per year. So there are a lot of designs here. You can choose the one you want. You want to choose a simple design. So before you do this, let me show you a trick to find a design that is working or in demand. Now, we are going to go to Etsy. You can see the design. You can see this design. This has a lot of sales. This hoodie here also has a lot of sales. And you can see here, it has a lot of reviews, which means it's doing well. Now, you just have to look for what is working and model it. You don't need to start from scratch. You just need to look for designs that are working. So for now, you don't need to think too much. Just use Etsy, Amazon, or eBay and get an idea of what is working. And then boom, get started with that. So let's go back to creativefabrica.com. Let's search for a good design. And if you haven't signed up yet, you need to sign up, get started for free. There are a lot of free designs here. So now on the top right, you see where it is written all freebies. Click on it. And then all free designs will show. I want to use an SVG, so I'll click on freebies again and then click on SVG. Results for free pre-designed SVG will show. Choose a design. Let's find a good design. I'm going to use this design. Download for free. Once it's downloaded, you can head back to Teespring and then upload the SVG image we just downloaded. Boom! Our design is set. Now, let's make this bigger. Just drag this. Now, if you want to add a design at the back, click here to change it to back. But I'm not going to do that in this video. Let's add a text. Now, the text is going to represent our logo or brand. Let's bring this down here and arrange this properly, we can adjust the price. I'm going to increase the price a bit. Click on continue. Now we are going to add a title and a description. If you don't know what to use as your title, just find out what people are searching for on Etsy. One way to find out what people are searching for on Etsy is to go to Etsy, look at what's out there, use similar keywords, or just type in hoodie on the search bar. And the suggestion from what people are searching for will show up. You can title your product around that. Remember, your title is very important. So for this, I'll add a title. I'll call it unique hoodie, unique angel hoodie, unique present. Now, the next thing is the description. Your description is super important because it affects your ranking, and it also determines whether a customer buys or not. You need a good copy for your description. If you look at this product here on Etsy, you can see their title, you can see what the description is. Just look at it, look at what's working, and model it. It is important because you're just starting out. If you're starting out, you need to model what is working. So we are going to use another trick to get a product description very fast. So let's go to ChatGPT and generate a product description. We can say write an SEO optimized product description for a hoodie. Now, we can also add that it should be maximum 250 characters because that's what is required in Teespring. That's what they want. Yeah, now the result is out. Let's copy this and use it. Paste it here and boom, you're good to go. Remember, you can modify your listing after you've launched your product, so you don't have to be scared. You can try out different titles, different description, and see the one that is working. All right, let's launch this product now. Click on launch listing and boom, your print-on-demand store is ready. Copy this link. This is the URL for your listing. You can edit your launch listing. You can edit it anytime. So if you want to check the store, just click on view listing. So this is your print-on-demand hoodie. It is available in different colors. You can see the product details, worldwide shipping available, and boom, you're good to go. Now, this is the important part, the marketing. Now that your product is up, people can place order directly from Teespring, but you don't want your focus to be only on Teespring. You want to get sales from other platforms. You want to take traffic. You want to take advantage of the traffic from other platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and the rest. So go ahead and list your product on eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Whenever someone places an order on these platforms here, you go to Teespring and buy the product from yourself. So if you get an order outside Teespring, maybe from Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or any other website outside Teespring, you get the customer details and take the details to Teespring and then buy the hoodie or the product from your store. And then the product will be shipped to your customers. Remember, you're not going to handle anything. You're not handling the billing. You're not handling the shipping. You're only going to focus on sales, which is what you should focus on. Getting sales. Then for the marketing part, if you're taking this serious, you can start creating content on several social media platforms to promote your product, your hoodie, whatever it is. If you don't have money for ads, create content. But if you have money for ads, don't run ads yet on Google. Don't run Google ads. Don't run Facebook ads yet. Instead, run ads directly on Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. You pay them and then they'll show your products to people on their platform. Your product will be among the top results. Whenever a customer searches for a product or the product that you're trying to put out on their platform, your product will be among the first page or be among what will be suggested to that customer. And that's why it's important to run ads on those platforms first before running on Google, Facebook, and all that. So you can see it's very easy. You design your prints on Teespring and then you sell it on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or any other platform. There are some helpful links in the description. You can just check it out. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video. It's going to help this channel a lot. And if you have questions, tips, or anything you want to share, just drop it in the comment section and I'll see you in this video.